In the animal kingdom, things are simple. For example, the Adelie penguin offers a pebble to the female he's interested in. If she accepts, they mate and stay together for life. If only it were that easy for humans. But humans are far more complex. Our emotions, behaviors, and social signals make attraction more confusing than we'd like to admit. But just like we've cracked the code on animal mating rituals, we've also discovered what actually makes women attracted to certain guys. What you're about to learn is one of the most important truths that can help you attract beautiful women, and it has nothing to do with money or looks. Growing up, I had a lot of crushes. I'd like one girl for a while, then move on to the next. But no matter what I tried, the girls I liked never seemed interested in me. They always fell for the guys who didn't care, the ones who barely even looked their way. At the same time, I'd get attention from girls I didn't feel anything for. The girls I liked didn't like me back, and the girls who liked me, I couldn't force myself to feel the same. What I didn't realize at the time is that attraction isn't about logic. It's not about checking boxes or being a nice guy. It's about how you make her feel. And neither I nor my friends, even the ones who had more luck, truly understood this. Everything changed for me when I met a girl at the gym. Back then, the gym was the one place where I truly felt confident. That self-belief didn't just stay in the weight room, it followed me into every part of my life. I was comfortable, at ease, and in control. Eventually, I met a beautiful girl there, and without forcing anything, I naturally made her laugh, made her feel seen, made her feel good. Here's the catch: I had a girlfriend at the time, so I wasn't chasing her, but she started chasing me, hard. So I did what any guy in a complicated situation might do. I switched gyms, but that whole experience stuck with me. Why was she chasing me? What changed? Then it clicked. It was the way I made her feel. Biologically speaking, women are wired to be more emotionally driven than men. This makes sense when you realize they're the ones raising children, and that requires emotional intelligence. Just think about the kind of shows women are drawn to. Reality TV like The Bachelor, Love Island, or Teen Mom. These shows are packed with drama, emotional roller coasters that keep viewers hooked. Men, we tend to watch sports, car reviews, action movies, stuff that gets our adrenaline going but doesn't really pull on the heartstrings. Women crave emotional highs and lows, but more than anything, they want to feel good. In fact, studies show that the stronger the emotional response, the more likely she is to remember the moment. So if you want a girl to think about you, do something with her that gets her heart racing, even if it's just a little bit. The most attractive guys out there aren't always the richest, the tallest, or the best looking. They're the ones who know how to make women feel good, emotionally. Now, this doesn't mean it's easy. Girls can be incredibly emotionally sensitive, and if you say the wrong thing, you might unintentionally set off a negative reaction, and that can spiral fast. So what's the easiest way to trigger a positive emotional response? Be upbeat, be playful, make her laugh, and more importantly, be comfortable around her. If you're not quite there yet, that's okay. Focus on building your confidence and spend time with people who bring out the best in you. Start with girls you naturally feel at ease with. It'll help you grow. Here's what I learned from the gym. When a woman feels good around you, she wants to be around you more. It's not about what you say or do. It's about how she feels when she's with you. Make her laugh, make her feel safe, make her feel seen, and she'll associate all those good feelings with you. If we lived in a perfect world, maybe we just hand each other pebbles and fall in love like penguins. But we don't. So instead, you've got to learn how to play the emotional game and win. Thanks for watching.